My name is Marcy Jones and I'm a beekeeper. And I've been keeping bees here at Laughing Sun Farm for a little over 2 years now, and I wanted to make this video to demonstrate just how easy it is to capture a swarm of honeybees, even for a beginner. Certain times of year, for various reasons, the queen will sometimes decide to leave the hive and find a new home. She'll fly out and land on a branch or a tree branch or a fence post or a bush or something like that, wherever she chooses. And when she does this, 60% of the bees in the hive will leave and follow the queen and cluster around her. She'll send out scout bees to look for a new home. And in the meantime, the swarm will stay there usually until the scout bees return, signaling that they found a new place to live. At this time, the swarm will leave as quickly as they came and be gone, but they can sometimes stay in this place for anywhere from minutes to several days at a time, depending on the conditions. When people come across a swarm in the wild, they're often quite intimidated and frightened. They're not used to seeing so many bees out in the open, out of a hive, and they're afraid they're going to be stung and attacked. There can be as many as 30 to 40,000 bees in a swarm in some cases, so people are quite intimidated by this. But the truth is, they're quite docile. Bees are usually only aggressive when their hive or their nest is being threatened, and that's when someone's coming in trying to take their honey or mess with their nest. So that is when they become most aggressive. But when a swarm is out looking for a new home, the bees are usually quite docile. So next time you come upon a swarm in the wild, just don't go around, grab a can of bug spray, call a beekeeper, or try to capture the swarm yourself. Or if you don't feel comfortable doing this and you don't know any beekeepers, go online and find your local bee club, and I imagine they'll have somebody that will be more than happy to come out and help you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. My friend Cindy Toth, who's also a beekeeper, just happened to stop by to see our new baby goats. I went to greet her and my husband Ron came outside and said we had a swarm in the yard. This is what the bees looked like when we first saw them. In the past we've had swarms in the top branch of the oak, but unfortunately they were too high to capture, but we were very lucky this time and the queen chose to land in the tea olive, only several feet off the ground. You can see here how quickly the bees begin to cluster around their queen. Cindy and I quickly made a game plan and began gathering what we needed to capture the swarm. You can see here there are probably, I'd say, 40,000 bees right there probably. That would be my guess. Here I have our spray bottle of sugar water, which is a 70-30 mixture. This is used to spray the bees so that they won't fly about as much. They'll eat the sugar water and it also slows them down. Cindy's cutting the branch so that I can shake it into our nook box. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this, and it was just really an amazing experience for me. I was astounded at how easily it was done. The majority of the bees are now in the box. Cindy will very carefully add in the frames. Being very careful not to smash or kill any bees. Now we're going to replace the top, still leaving a small space on the side for the bees to continue to enter and to fan. You can also see the bees fanning at the entrance of the box. This sends out the queen's pheromones so that the bees that are still outside know that their queen is in the box. As they pick up her scent, the majority of the bees will start, all of the bees will start to march into the box. It's truly amazing. The bees form a ladder, joining their legs to help the other bees get up into the box. The bees are guiding the others in. It's amazing how they work together. Look, it's so cool. And here they go, marching into the box. Fanning and fanning and fanning. So amazing. A captured swarm. Cheers, clink, clink, clink. And here we are. Cindy and I toast our success. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed our video.